once again you all are welcome by me to the one and only RK Siapar's news reporting channel, and now you are connected with news reporter Megha, and as today's news report is coming from the RTE Act. So now if you don't know, then let me tell you that RTE Act, which includes that now government schools can now fail the students who are in the 5th and the 8th class. So actually before the 2019, when the RTE Act was not in the India, what just used to happen, the government used to pass all the students who are in the 5th or the 8th class, but now as the no detention policy had ended, so now those students who are in the 5th or the 8th class has failed. Now they have to give the examination within 2 months, and if they will fail again, then there will be no admission for their students, and they have to repeat the same class again. And as this is a state matter, so every state will get the chance to take the decision in this matter. And as the states, means the central government includes some schools just like the Kendriya Vidyalaya, the Navodaya Vidyalaya and the Sainik school, and also almost the 16 states have already decided this policy, and also they have applied the policy in the 300 schools, and also two union territories including the Delhi has decided to apply this policy in the central school. So that was my news report about the central government decision. So that was all for today's. Thank you, nice day.